Calling all pumpkin spice lovers, today, we're taking pumpkin spice to a whole new level with 5 delicious recipes beyond the classic latte. From breakfast to desserts, these recipes are guaranteed to satisfy your pumpkin spice cravings all season long. Let's dive right in. First up, we're making pumpkin spice waffles, a cozy twist on a breakfast favorite. To start, mix together flour, sugar, baking powder, pumpkin spice, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, combine pumpkin puree, milk, eggs, and a little melted butter. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mix until just combined, and pour the batter onto a hot waffle iron. In just a few minutes, you'll have fluffy, spiced waffles that pair perfectly with maple syrup and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Breakfast just got a major fall upgrade. Next, let's move into savory territory with a pumpkin and sage pasta. Start by cooking your favorite pasta. In a pan, heat some olive oil, add garlic and fresh sage leaves. Once fragrant, stir in pumpkin puree, a little cream, and season with salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Toss in the cooked pasta and mix until well coated. Top with Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of fresh sage. This cozy pasta is the perfect blend of creamy, savory, and subtly spiced pumpkin goodness. Now for something sweet, spiced pumpkin bread pudding. Take some day-old bread, cut it into cubes, and place it in a greased baking dish. In a bowl, whisk together eggs, milk, pumpkin puree, brown sugar, pumpkin spice, and vanilla. Pour the mixture over the bread, making sure it's well soaked, and let it sit for a few minutes. Then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes until golden brown. Top with a drizzle of caramel sauce for a truly decadent pumpkin dessert. Next up, we have pumpkin spice cookies, soft, chewy, and filled with fall flavor. Start by creaming together butter and sugar, then add pumpkin puree, an egg, and a splash of vanilla. In a separate bowl, mix flour, baking soda, salt, and pumpkin spice. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, mix in some chocolate chips or white chocolate chunks, and scoop onto a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, and you'll have warm, spiced cookies that taste like a bite of fall. Finally, if you're looking for a cool treat, try this pumpkin spice smoothie. In a blender, add pumpkin puree, a frozen banana, almond milk, pumpkin spice, and a little maple syrup. Blend until smooth and creamy, then pour into a glass and top with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dollop of whipped cream. And there you have it, 5 incredible pumpkin spice recipes that go way beyond the classic latte. Whether it's breakfast, dinner, or dessert, these recipes bring all the cozy flavors of fall right to your kitchen. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're most excited to try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell *** for more delicious fall-inspired recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy fall from Tastebud Heaven.